In a small town, there lived a boy named Arav. He was bright, curious, and hardworking, but he had one weakness. He always compared himself to others. His neighbor, Rohan, was an excellent cricketer. Everyone admired him. Arav thought, if I play like Rohan, people will respect me too. So he started playing cricket. He practiced every day. His heart wasn't in the game. No matter how hard he tried, he couldn't feel the joy. People said, "You'll never be like Rohan." And those words broke him from inside. A few months later, his cousin Neha topped the school in science. Everyone praised her. Even his father said, "Look at Neha, she is so hardworking. Everyone should learn from her." Arav felt a sting and thought, if I study like Neha, maybe my father will be proud of me. So he began studying day and night. But the books felt heavy, lifeless. No matter how much he memorized, his marks remained poor. Friends mocked him. This is not for you.
Days turned into months. Arav kept switching from one thing to another. Cricket, studies, music gave him peace. Slowly his face lost its shine. He felt empty. Many nights he asked himself, why am I not happy? What is wrong with me? One evening, tired and restless, Arav sat under a tree by the riverbank. The sun was setting. The sky was painted in golden orange. He put on his headphones, closed his eyes, and asked himself a question he had never. Arav, are you really living your life? Or are you just chasing shadows of others? In that silence, childhood memories returned. He remembered the days when he loved drawing. As a child, he would sketch for hours without realizing how time passed. He remembered the words of his teacher, Arav, your art is special. It speaks. That memory lit us. That night, after many years, Arav picked up a pencil again. He began sketching. Slowly, lines formed into shapes and a picture appeared on the paper. His heart felt light. His eyes shone with joy. For the first time he realized, this is mine. This is my dream, not anyone else's.
From that day, his journey began. He practiced, his sketches turned into paintings, his paintings into designs. He shared them online. People admired his work. One day, he even got an offer to illustrate a children's book. That was the turning point of his life. Of course, people still doubted him. They said, "Can art give you a future? Or will this fill your stomach?" But Arav didn't care anymore. He had truth of life. You can never find happiness living someone else's dream. True peace comes only when you follow your own heart. Years later, Arav became a well-known artist. But more than the fame, more than the money, he found peace, because finally he was living his own dream. Every person in this world is unique. If you copy others, remain a shadow. But if you follow your heart, you will become the light. So don't chase others' dreams. Listen to your heart. Find your own path and walk on the road that truly belongs to you.